think what's interesting is hearing people talk about trading data. And that's interesting because then you argue, oh, lawyers get involved, and it's like, no, that's a good thing. That means something of value is being exchanged. And again, whether you're using technology to add that value or you're enriching data by taking two things that you wouldn't have ever crossed before and going, oh, now I'm getting 1 + 1 = 3. And that's a magic moment for any business, yet alone every manufacturer. You're also getting companies like Dell Technologies and Dell EMC, VMware in our family, saying, you know, we can help you with this process, but back to the chairman, do it your own way. You've got to look at what your industry is doing with who owns the data. And it's like intellectual property. Don't give it away forever and regret it. Fight to hang on to it and sell it for what it's worth. So I've got a team of really brilliant people here at Dell Technologies who will wrangle the data, get it right, and the old rule of if you put really good stuff in, what comes out is really good stuff. And then within the same team, someone says, just put it in there. Because the longer you spend fussing the organization, who then go, that's 6 years old, I don't even know what I can do with this anymore. You've got to find where in your organization you need to redeem value from your data. Find your own way and then sit with suppliers that you trust, read the internet, come to events like this, sit with people who may have made the mistakes, and then find out what your way will be. The decision, I'm afraid, sits with you. All right, you can prove anything by an analogy, and I love data is the new oil, but you wouldn't put raw oil in your car, and I kind of love and you wouldn't use marine diesel in an aircraft. And of course you wouldn't. You as a business should very quickly, I think again the last panel said this, what is your business objective? How am I going to use data to achieve that? And I'll give you one thing for free. It's something Sean Rogers, who's written a brilliant book along with John Thompson about data analytics, said. Pick something you do really well and then apply data analytics or AI or IoT technology to what you do very well. Because if you know what your business problem is, you can probably solve it. You don't know what your business problem is, IoT is not going to fix that business problem. It's the classic education phrase, there actually isn't a stupid question. There isn't such a thing as asking the wrong question. Know your business and then be very clear on the steps you might need to fix that. Think about what you've got, now take something out, what do you replace it with? And that's probably your known unknown. Don't worry about the unknown unknown. Just don't worry about that. Again, what you've got to do is do this step by step and then take out the next thing. And so you're building a puzzle by really re-engineering your business. And if the last thing you take out is, we've been using these processes for 20 years, but we think they need to change, take bits of them out. What do you replace them with? But actually it goes back to, if you know your business, then you'll start to slot in, actually I could really do with this data point. And do you know what? It's top secret in the industry. Talk to the folks on the shop floor. They will knock you rigid by how much they know about your business. Then go and take that information to the smarts consultants, guys who can help you shape it better. Learn as much about your business as you can, then your digital transformation will be truly effective. It's just got to be the way forward for UK manufacturing, for global manufacturing. You know, we're about advising people what is going to be right for your business, and we don't know that much about your business. You tell us. We're very good at lining up technology platform of choice. Now, sometimes it might be a bit weird. It'll go in the cloud, and what do you guys get out of it? You know, we've got that. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about us. We'll worry about your business. Sometimes it makes sense to. It came out of the conference. Let's do it in the factory. In the factory, not the data center. In the factory. We've got that. We know how that's done. And do you know, for a manufacturer, remember, everything we sell has to be made. We are a manufacturer. We adore talking to other manufacturers, and we love to share the stories of what works and what doesn't work. We understand what it's like to manage a complex product set, multiple products in a heavily legislated environment and a global supply chain. you.